Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel. Today I will be filming a show you haul. That is why the wardrobe's open and I'm in my bedroom. So I'm gonna pop you down. I was gonna film this like 3 weeks ago when I first got the clothes, but then I fell extremely ill with the flu thing that's going around here in the UK. And then yeah, I recently just got better, so I thought why not just film it now. So let's just get into it. I'm gonna show you some clothes. Righty, so I'm gonna start off by showing you guys this first piece, which is a extremely long trench coat. For me, this goes down to my shin. Yeah, to my shin, middle of my mid shin. And this just has a waist belt, and it also has buckles by the sleeves, so you can tighten it around the sleeves. And the inside is just like this. It's kind of like from old vintage looking, right? The inside, and the back has this flap at the back. And I thought that this would look really cool. So instead of this belt, I brought a different belt to go with it. I'll probably sometimes still wear it with this belt, but sometimes I'm just gonna pair it with this black buckle belt. This is a classic black buckle belt from Zara, and this was $19.99, and this coat was $79.99. So yeah. Woo-woo. Right, so next up is this black knit cardigan, and it has buttons down the front, and it's kind of like those rusty old looking buttons that you get, which I kind of like with the black. And yeah, in this haul I bought a lot of knitwear cardigan jumpers, sweater type, not jumpers, like sweater type of pieces, and this is one of them, and this is in the size small, and this was $25.99. so I've been seeing a lot of girls who wear this by itself. You can either wear it on its own with like a bralette, like a bra top underneath, or open, or whatever you want. You can wear this however you want to, on its own or with other clothing. You can lay it on top, lay it down, whatever you desire. So this is one of the pieces. Okay, next up I bought a midi dress, and it's got cutout embroidery on it. You know, you can see there's like loads of holes, and it's just really nice, and this is so flattering on. Yeah, you can't really wear this without a bra, because not gonna be weird, but your nipple can just pop out in one of the holes, and you would not want that. So you have to wear a bra with this, or a bralette, or whatever you can underneath to cover your boobs. So yeah, this is one of the pieces, and this was $25.99. And then here we have another, what are these? Sweaters, and this is that oversized, a really oversized. I tried it on and it's massive, right? An oversized striped sweater, and it's just a black and white stripy sweater, a casual day type of sweater. If you want to be nice and cozy and you're lazy, you just pop this on. But because it's so oversized on me, it doesn't look really flattering on its own, so I pair it with the same belt with the coat, so just tie it around the waist, and it really just cinches you in. Because me wearing this on its own makes me look very round and fat, basically. So I have to wear it with the buckle belt. Unless I'm just at home chilling, I'm not gonna wear it without it. So that's one of this, and this was $29.99, which is a decent price for this type of sweater. It's just really good quality, very hot. You'll feel really cozy in it, and it's a very good sweater for winter for sure. Next up, we just have a basic tee, and this is kind of like a faded print. It's kind of fading, the colour. It's called a faded tee with a pocket. So it has a pocket in the front. This colour is something that I've never worn before. It's kind of like a brownie orange, like a burnt dead orange. I don't have a clue how to say, but it's more on the brown side But yeah, very basic tee, and this was $12.99. Moving on with some denim, I have this denim shirt, and it also comes with a belt around the waist, which is why I really picked up this denim shirt. I don't really wear denim shirts, I wear jackets like this, but not shirts. So I thought that this shirt would go really well with the trench coat and with some flared jeans with like the rusty things down the bottom, and with some ankle boots or a pair of sneakers. And I thought that this would look super cute, and yes, it's just a nice denim shirt. It kind of has a little bit of a bell sleeve. Is it bell sleeve? It's kind of wide at the top and it goes smaller and smaller down the wrist, and it's kind of like a balloon type sleeve, but it's not too over the top and big and bulky. And the belt is a suede leather material, and it just has pockets down the front, and it just goes buttons down the front all the way down. So that's just one piece I felt would go nice in my closet. And then more sweater, cardigan. I think this is a cardigan. Yeah, this is a cardigan, not a sweater. But this material is super soft, and this is called the beige soft feel cardigan with buttons. So this was also $25.99, and again, like the black one, this one you can wear on its own. I wore this on my own, on its own. It's not like I'm going to share it with someone. I wore this on its own and it looks perfectly fine. But you could wear it with, obviously you can layer it and wear it with something else underneath. But this is just the softest cardigan I've ever owned. And final sweater piece that I have, another knitwear piece, is this is extremely soft as well. This is a creamy white textured sweater, and it's kind of cropped. It's not a very long piece. It kind of goes, it crops right by the hip or waist, this bit down here. It's got a turtleneck, and the details is just like, it's kind of like textured, right? Just textured, bubbly. I'm not very good at explaining, but you can see what it looks like, right? So here it is. And I thought, again, wear this with a high-waisted jeans, whatever. You can wear it with like a skirt or something. I have a skirt next to show you as well. So this is one of the pieces, and this was this was $29.99. Yeah. Okay, and then one more final piece to show you guys is this very flowy, fine pleated tully skirt. I have no idea how to pronounce that word, but yeah, it's just got this very nice, it's layered, so there's 2 layers so you don't see through, you know what I mean? And it's got this, it's kind of like polka dots all over the first top layer, and it's very flowy, and literally you can wear this with anything because it's black, and it's just a pair of tights and a pair of boots, you're good to go. And this was $29.99 also. So now I'm gonna go try some of the things on for you guys just to show you how it looks, and I will see you at the end of the video. Bye. I'm just gonna pop you guys on the floor to show you this skirt because, oh, I'm trying on it, but yes, because I have nowhere else to put you guys, and this is how the skirt looks on. I'm kind of wearing it with the sweater still. I don't know if they go together or not, but I'm wearing it together right now. And it's just very loose and flowy, very nice fit, and it's very snug at the waist, so it really like cinches you in. And then, yeah, here it is. And probably for the winter weather, I'm wearing it with like wearing it with tights and stuff. And yeah, so this is this.